Hi viewers, welcome to iGyan series from Planet. We hope our previous video on index fund and exchange traded fund was quite useful. And today we are going to talk about a new product called RBI floating rate bond. This product was launched last week, which is July 1st, and so it's a brand new product. Earlier, RBI was having a 7.75% fixed rate bond that was discontinued, and they have launched this new product. So we'll discuss about this product in detail in this video. Before we move on, let's understand what is this bond called. Bond, it's basically a fixed income product, and it's like a loan instrument. If an issuer wants to raise funds for his projects, then he can issue these bonds. So in this case, the issuer will be the government of India or the big corporates. In turn, they will give us interest. So this interest could be a fixed rate interest or a floating rate interest. As far as this bond is concerned, it's a floating rate interest bond, which means every frequent interval they will be resetting the interest rate. So that's what the bond is all about. So in this case, this floating rate bond has a face value of 1,000 rupees, which means the minimum investment is 1,000 rupees, and this has a tenure of 7 years. So the investment is locked in for 7 years. And if you look at the interest rate, it's 7.15% floating rate, and the benchmark is NSE, which is National Serving Certificates. So benchmark plus 35 basis points, which is 0.35%. So today's NSE rate is 6.8%. So 6.8% plus 0.35% comes to 7.15%. So that's how the interest is calculated. And interest payable mode is semi-annually. So every 1st of January and every 1st of July, the interest will be paid out. The first interest payment will be in 1st January 2021. So this is about the product. And who can invest in this product? Any individual or HUF can invest in this product, but NRIs cannot invest in this product. And you can also invest jointly or in either a survivor mode. You can also invest in minor mode also. Minor through Guardian also can be invested. So this product is very useful if you want to invest in your kid's name for a long-term purpose. The interest part is taxable actually. This will be added in your income, and the interest is applicable to TDS also. However, if you are having Form 15H, then you can get exempted from TDS. Otherwise, the interest which we receive is taxable, and if you are below 5 lakh bracket, then this product is very advantageous to you. And if you look at the exit option, this product doesn't have any premature options. However, there is some condition. If you fulfill that condition, then you are eligible for prematurity. If a person is somewhere between 60 to 70 years, and if he is going for prematurity, then he can do this at the 7th year of this bond. And if a person is between 70 to 80 years of age, then he can do a prematurity at the 5th year of this bond. And if a person is above 80 years, then he can do this at the 4th year of this bond. So for other people who are not coming under this category cannot do a prematurity, they have to wait for the maturity until 7 years. And if you look at the plus or minus about this product, plus obviously there is no credit risk. It's a Government of India product. It's a 100% secure product. Second, you get a regular income also. Every semi-annually you'll get some kind of payout. And third, it's a very good product for a long-term investment. If you want to invest in your child's name, if your child is somewhere around 8 to 9 years, and if you want to invest them for their higher studies, then it's a very good product actually with a secured investment. And if you look at the minus, there is no liquidity in this product because this product is not tradable or it's not transferable. So that case, this product is quite a disadvantage. And the interest is also very moderate interest, 1.15% interest if you look at on the interest part. Otherwise, to sum up in general, I would say this product is a very good product because it comes with 100% credit risk free actually. And it's one more pocket in your investment basket actually. So, and it's good for if you are investing for a long term. So you should definitely look at this product if you are investing for a long term perspective. So that's it about this RBI floating rate bond. We'll come up with one more new product very soon. Till such time, subscribe to our channel and give us more views and comments, and take care, stay safe, and stay hungry for knowledge. Thank you.